After watching Sir David Attenborough's 100th birthday celebrations at the Royal Albert Hall, it gave me enthusiasm to return to a special place. This special place is off the beaten track, in a valley in the West Pennines, and I've been coming here for years to see the Early Purple Orchid. They shouldn't really be here. They grew in limestone dropped by the glaciers 10 to 15,000 years ago, because really this is a fairly acid area. This terrain is very uneven and boggy, and when I've walked along here I can just see another couple of orchids here. There's some up there in the foliage there, but there's not as many as last year, but nevertheless they're still very beautiful. These tough little heroes bloom every year, but only have about 2 weeks of glory.